BMW Motorrad has launched its latest R18 Cruiser motorcycle in the Indian market. The new BMW R18 Cruiser is offered in two variants, Standard and First Edition, and is priced at Rs 18.90 lakh and Rs 21.90 lakh respectively. Both prices are ex-showroom India. The BMW R18 motorcycle is part of the brand's Heritage series and comes with the traditional cruiser styling. It comes with comfortable ergonomics with an upright sitting position. The motorcycle features the traditional double cradle frame, teardrop-shaped fuel tank, mid-mounted foot pegs, exposed drive shaft, and paintwork with double pin striping, all of which are reminiscent of its history. The traditional design is then combined with the modern features and equipment including LED headlamps, LED DRLs, LED taillights, and a circular instrument cluster with an integrated display screen. The range-topping BMW R18 First Edition version further comes with additional features and equipment. This includes adaptive headlights, First Edition packed LED DRLs, First Edition chrome claps on the side, seat badge, welcome box, and a number of other exclusive insignia, lifestyle accessories, and collectibles. The First Edition model also features an exclusive black storm metallic paint scheme with elaborate pin stripping. The BMW R18 Cruiser is powered by a newly developed 1802cc air-oil-cooled 2-cylinder boxer engine. It produces 91 bhp at 4750 rpm and 158 Nm of torque at 3000 rpm, paired with a 6-speed transmission unit. The suspension setup on the BMW R18 is though telescopic forks at the front. Braking is handled by twin disc at the front, supported by ABS and dynamic brake control. The motorcycle is also packed with electronic rider aids, including 3 riding modes: rain, roll, and rock. Other electronic aids on the BMW R18 Cruiser include automatic stability control, dynamic engine brake control, hill start control, and keyless ride system. The BMW R18 Cruiser is the latest entrant from the brand in the Indian market. The flagship cruiser motorcycle offering will be imported to India via the CBU route, with deliveries set to begin soon. The BMW R18 Cruiser will rival the likes of the Triumph Rocket 3 in the Indian market.
The all-new Mahindra Thar has been auctioned off at Rs 1.11 crores in India as the bidding came to an end on September 29 at 6 pm. The winning bid was entered by Delhi-based Akash Minda and now becomes the proud owner of Thar number 1. As reported, Mahindra will be matching the winning bid and donating it to one of 3 organizations engaged in COVID-19 relief work: Nandi Foundation, Swadesh Foundation, and the PM Cares Fund. A total amount of Rs 2.2 crores will be donated any of this organization as per Minda's choice. Apart from the number 1 Thar helping the nation during the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, it will also feature certain details to make it special to the winning bidder. Mr. Minda can choose from any variant and engine option present in the Thar's lineup. Additionally, the Thar number 1 will feature customized badging with his initials, leatherette seats, and serial number 1 on the VIN plate. This certainly would make it special to the buyer, adding a hint of exclusivity with the number 1 badging. Mahindra will launch the all-new Thar on October 2, 2020 in India. The company will also start accepting bookings officially at the time of launch. Deliveries of the off-roader are expected to begin weeks after the launch as well. The new Thar will be available in 2 variants, AX and LX. The AX series will cater to off-road enthusiasts who are looking for a bare-bone look and feel of the SUV, while the LX will cater to the remaining audience who would want to use the SUV every day, making it the ultimate urban cruiser. The next generation Thar features an all-new design along with a host of equipment giving the SUV an upmarket feel. Additionally, it also receives a new powertrain. The company has added a new petrol engine along with the existing diesel engine on the new generation off-roader. This includes a 2.0-liter TJDI M Stallion petrol engine and a 2.2-liter M Hawk diesel unit. The company is also offering the new Thar, and which also comes with various seating configurations. This includes either 4 front-facing seats or 2 front and 4 front side-facing seats depending on the variant. So guys, what are your thoughts about this bidding, and do let us know in the comment section what do you expect from newly launched Thar.
Mahindra has launched a new website which offers customers modification and customization options of their various SUVs in India. The modification and customization options are currently offered on the Thar, Scorpio, and Bolero models. The new website showcases a number of customization package options for each of the SUVs. Starting with the Mahindra Thar, the SUV comes with a choice of 5 customization packages to choose from. This includes Adventure, Hardtop, Open Top, or Soft Top, Thar Bison, Thar Buggy, Thar Midnight, and Daybreak, Hardtop or Soft Top. The Mahindra Scorpio and the Bolero also comes with various modification packages as well. The Scorpio gets 4 such packages: Dark Horse, Lifestyle, Mountaineer, and Extreme. While the Mahindra Bolero comes with options including Attitude, Stinger, Exclusive, and Limited Edition. According to Mahindra, customers who are interested in getting their SUVs customized or modified will have to bring their vehicles to the brand studio in Mumbai. Customers can take help from the customization studio's sales and marketing team for logistics. The SUVs can be brought to the studio post-purchase and registration at their respective cities. Mahindra will also customize or modify pre-owned or existing customer vehicles as well. However, these cars will initially have to pass a fitness evaluation test, confirming the SUV is in good condition and mechanically. Apart from the three SUVs, Mahindra is also said to be working on introducing customization kits for the other models as well. This includes the TUV 300, XUV 500 and the KUV 100, all of which will receive similar customization packages very soon. Mahindra also offers a wide range of individual enhancement for both exterior and interior. These exterior modifications include a different grille, headlamps, tail lights, alloy wheels, roll bars, rock sliders, bull bars, winch, snorkels and many more. Similarly, interiors enhancements for the SUVs include GSP navigation system, DVD display at the back of the headrest, premium leather upholstery, redesigned door trims and center console, customized floor mats, mood lighting and others. Mahindra cars, especially models like the Thar, Scorpio and Bolero, are popular in the modification and customization space. These customization packages will definitely attract a lot of attention.
Skoda Auto India has launched its new Rapid sedan with an automatic transmission unit. The new 2020 Skoda Rapid sedan was initially introduced earlier this year with an updated 1.0-litre TSI engine mated to a manual gearbox. The Czech brand has now introduced the sedan with an automatic transmission offered with a starting price of Rs 9.49 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. Skoda will offer the automatic transmission on 5 variants of the Rapid sedan: Rider Plus, Ambition, Onyx, Style and Monte Carlo. Prices will range from Rs 9.49 lakh for the Rapid Rider Plus automatic transmission and will go up all the way up to Rs 13.29 lakh for the Monte Carlo AT variant. All prices are ex-showroom Delhi. Bookings for the 2020 Skoda Rapid TSI automatic model officially started in late August. The sedan can be booked either online or through any of the company dealerships across India for an amount of Rs 25,000. Skoda also announced that customers who pre-book the Rapid automatic sedan will get priority on deliveries, commencing from the 18th of September. The new Skoda Rapid TSI automatic model will continue to be powered by the same 999cc 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine. It produces 108 bhp at 5500 rpm and 175 Nm of peak torque at 1750 to 4000 rpm. The BS6 compliant engine will now come mated to a 6-speed torque converter unit. Skoda claims that the new Rapid with the automatic gearbox returns an ARAI certified fuel efficiency of 16.24 km per litre. The torque converter unit is a replacement to the old DSG automatic gearbox, which was available with the BS4 compliant 1.2-litre petrol engine previously offered on this sedan. The new 1.0-litre turbo petrol engine with the 6-speed torque converter automatic is offered on the Volkswagen Vento and the Polo GT TSI models as well. The Skoda Rapid is an extremely popular offering in the Indian market executive sedan segment. The addition of the automatic transmission will further boost interest for the sedan in the segment, allowing it to take on rivals such as Maruti Suzuki Ciaz, new Honda City, Hyundai Verna and the Volkswagen Vento.